Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my digital class. At first, let me introduce myself. This is Hafizur Rahman, Assistant English Teacher of Sundarban High School, Jyotindrnagar, Shyamnagar, Satkhira. I am going to start in the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, His Majesties and Royal Highnesses. We are still alive, saved from coronavirus. Our educational institution has been closed for Sindai because of coronavirus. I don't know how to console you in such a situation. Our government has taken a pragmatic step to develop our student progress by taking online class. I am going to discuss about your English first paper, class 9. Dear student, look. Dear students, look at the picture and try to say what is it. In the first picture, we see some boys are playing hardball. It is an interesting game in our country as recognized the national game of Bangladesh. And in the next picture, we see an old couple and their children are watching television. Television is the most effective and popular source of recreation. Now, it is also used to educate the students. And in the next picture, we see some people are enjoying sea beach. We all love sea beach. Sea beach is the best medicine for ill-hearted people. And finally, in the last picture, we see some people have come to visit Hathir Jheel. Hathir Jheel is a lake front in Dhaka. Before 2009, Hathir Jheel was slum area, but nowadays Hathir Jheel has been transformed recreation area. So wall pictures are used to symbolize for recreation. So students, can you imagine what is the name of our today's topic? Please try to say the name of our today's topic. Yes, our today's topic is pastime. Now we are going to discuss about learning outcomes. Today's learning outcomes will be, after starting the lesson, students will be able to tell about pastime, then know new vocabulary, and finally fill in the gaps from text. Students, read the text silently and try to understand it. Students, now we are going to learn some important words. First, climb up means go upward with gradual or continuous progress. Next, garden. Garden means a plot ground which flowers and other plants are grown. Then debating to discuss with people whose opinion are different from your own. And lastly, historical place. Historical place means a place who is bear the testimony to history. Dear students, now at this stage we are going to learn some multiple questions. Look, what is the childhood pastime? Swimming, motorcycling, boxing, climbing trees. Of course, the correct answer is climbing trees. Dear students, in the text, the word charitable implies. That means charitable means. What is the means of charitable? Shortage, focus, generous, downfall. Correct answer is generous. Students, what kind of organization is RSPB? Organization RSPB is a benevolent organization. Yes. Dear students, next evaluation. I would like to evaluate you on the fill in the gap with following words. Let's see the word could, wire, trees, included, playing, met. Look, students, here there is a text with gap. People dash asked which of 12 outdoor experience they dash remember during their childhood. The answer dash making dance, daisy chain, climbing trees, dash conquer and feeding birds. 4 out of 5 boys climb dash and the same number of girls dash by daisy chain. Now you have to fill in the gap with flowing words. So let's start. People wire asked who is of 12 outdoor experience they dash. They could remember during their childhood. The answer included making dance, daisy chain, climbing trees, dash, playing concourse, and feeding birds. 4 out of 5 boys climb dash trees, and the same number of girls dash met by daisy chain. So I hope you have understand this fill in the gap. Now a group work for you. Traditional, conventional, organization, institute, disorder, indiscipline, highlight, emphasis. Here there is a group work for you. I repeat, traditional means conventional, organization, institute, disorder, indiscipline, highlight, emphasis. Next, homework. Why is pastime changing day by day? Student, you have to write 10 sentences about on these topics. Dear students and all, it is high time to say goodbye. Thank you, everybody, and thanks, and a special thanks for your continued support and love. Bye bye.